From the future of opulent travel, greetings. The brand new Volvo Motorhome for 2026 is examined here. Its sleek and contemporary aerodynamic exterior, adorned with clean body lines, a streamlined hood, and Volvo's recognizable Thor's hammer LED headlights, defies the norms of conventional motorhome design and guarantees a stunning and futuristic look. The next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain in this RV is more than just fashionable. It combines an inexpensive combustion engine for long-range travel with an electric drive system for silent, eco-friendly city driving. With integrated solar panels on the roof and regenerative braking technology, this system blends sustainability with power. It greets you with a cockpit that looks like a luxury SUV. The centerpiece of Volvo's recognizable minimalist design is a floating 15-inch touchscreen on the dashboard that runs the latest version of the Android Automotive OS. This screen serves as the vehicle's command center, controlling navigation, entertainment, and RV data like water tank level and battery life. The driver's and front passenger seats' excellent ergonomic leather upholstery, which also has heating, cooling, and massaging features, guarantees the utmost comfort for long-distance travel. Naturally, LiDAR and a 360-degree camera system come standard on Volvo vehicles. The main room brilliantly captures the majesty of Scandinavian design. Premium wool mixes and eco-friendly materials like Nordico, along with touches of light ash or birchwood, create a calm and roomy atmosphere. The multi-purpose, cozy couch seating in the living area can be moved and equipped with a slide-out feature to expand the space when parking. Large panoramic windows and a full-height glass roof let in an abundance of natural light, while adjustable LEDs create a comfortable ambient lighting at night. The bedroom is your own haven when you're traveling. In the back is a comfortable queen-size bed with a top-notch memory foam mattress. The design includes a basic twin nightstand with a hidden USB-C charging port. For a 5-star experience, the bedroom might be equipped with a smart storage wall, a flat-screen TV, and an adjustable skylight for enhanced ventilation or night sky gazing. Volvo's meticulous attention to detail is evident in the small yet opulent bathroom. Expect a walk-in shower with a high-pressure rain shower head, a water-saving toilet with designer features, a modern sink, and a backlit mirror. The entire space is finished with brushed metal and upscale materials, creating the illusion of a boutique hotel bathroom. Finally, let's peek inside the kitchen. This kitchen was likely designed with traveling cooks in mind, with energy-efficient, contemporary amenities like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a practical sink. Thanks to clever countertops and hidden storage, you'll always have everything you need to prepare delicious meals wherever you go. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a future home on wheels that combines style, sustainability, and technology to provide an unparalleled holiday experience. Are you ready for your next adventure?